So, if you had watched my video on the Mi earphone, you would have seen the unboxing transition in the beginning. I definitely didn't copy this from Jonathan Morrison, but in this short video, I'll show you how I made it using Filmora. Things that you will need: 1. Your hand. 2. A green or blue colored A4 sheet or something like that. 3. A video editing software that has green screen support. So, let's start. First of all, shoot a picture of the box and the things inside that separately with the same background. Just make sure that the camera settings is the same for both the pictures. It's important to have the box and the content inside to be in the same position. Now, take a green or blue colored A4 sheet and shoot a video of your hand moving on top just like this. Make sure that your hand moves slowly, and I'll explain the reason behind this later. Here I'm using an editing software called Filmora, and you can use anything that has green screen support in it. Import the three things that are the photo of the box, the photo of the thing inside the box, and the video of you waving your hand. First of all, add the green screen footage to the timeline and remove the background by tinkering with the green screen settings. I will leave links for videos on how to remove green screen in different software, as the process is different in each of them. I think this works fine for me. Now speed up this footage to get a nice quick transition. Initially, I told you to move your hand slowly because fast movements make the edge of your hand blurry and would make the process of removing the background much harder. Now that you have done this, add the two photos into the timeline and increase the duration of both the photos to something like 3 seconds, and add the green screen footage right in the middle, just like how you add a transition. Move this towards right or left until you reach the perfect position. That is, the cut should happen exactly when your hand covers the box completely. Now, there's one more thing left. Export this video and add it to your final video and complement it with some good music. This is totally up to you. Export again, upload to YouTube, and wait for the video to go viral. Oh, never mind. Thanks for watching.